In last video, we have seen that how one interface can extend another interface, and a class which is implementing those interfaces should define all its unimplemented abstract methods. Here we are going to see if that class is not implementing all those abstract methods, then that class needs to be declared as abstract. Like here within demo 9 package, I'm creating one class and naming it as M, and it's going to be our main class. So this is our main class and this is our package name. And here I'm creating interface I. I is the name of that interface, and here I'm declaring variables A. To this A I'm giving value 20 because this variable is final. So we need to give value to this variable, and B equals to 20. So here we have assigned value to both A and B as 20, and here I'm giving void public void show data. This is our abstract method. Here we are not going to give definition to this. Now I'm creating one more interface, and name of this interface is I2. And here I'm creating one more method, public void multiply. This is also an abstract method. Here we are not going to give definition to this method. Now here we are creating one class uh, A1 implements. We have to give name of both interfaces. So I is our first interface and I2 is our second interface. So here within this A1 class, we have to give definition to this method and this method. So here we are not going to give definition to both methods. Here I am giving definition to only this method, multiply method. So here I am saying public void multiply, and here I am saying system.out.println multiplication of a multiplication is equals to plus sign A, then we have to do multiplication sign and again concatenation operator and then B. Now here as we are not going to give definition to this show data method, here what it is saying that add all unimplemented method. I'm not going to add definition to this method here. For that I'm creating one more class A2 extends A1. As I'm not giving definition to this show data method here, so this class needs to be declared as abstract. So I'm saying abstract keyword before this class A1. This is going to make this class abstract. Here we have given definition to this method. We are not giving definition to this method. So here we need to declare this class A1 as abstract. And here in A2 I'm giving definition to that show data method. Otherwise, if we are not giving, then this class also needs to be declared abstract. So public void show data, and here we are giving definition system.out.println and the value of A and B equals to, here so concatenation operator A, then again concatenation operator, we have to give space in between A and B, then plus B. Here it is our semicolon. Save it. And here within this main class, we have to create object of this A2 because it is holding everything. It is holding this A1, it is holding this I and I2 interface indirectly. So here we are going to create object of A2. Name of object is O1 equals to new A2. So O1 is our object here. Now with the help of O1, we can call that show data and multiply methods. So O1 dot multiply is the first call, and then O1 dot show data. Save it and run it. So it has given multiplication of A and B is 400 and value of A and B is 20 and 20. So what it is doing? Here one interface can extend another interface. A class can implement that interface. If the class is not if the class is not defining all the unimplemented methods of that interface, then that class needs to be declared abstract. Then in this class, we are giving definition to this unimplemented method, and here within main, we are creating object of that class, which is giving definition to this unimplemented method, and with the help of that object, we are calling both method, and it is giving us the value that multiplication is 400 and value of A and B is 20 and 20.